start the word problems of whole number question number 3. Page number 21 and question number 3 is find the product. Product means multiply. Find the product of the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And the largest or greatest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. So first of all we have to write in the horizontal form 1000 multiplied by 99. So we need to find the product of these two numbers. Product means multiply. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. This is the horizontal form. Now we are converting into vertical form. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Now we have to multiply. 90 times 0, 90 times 0. 90 times 0, 91 times 9. Write the numbers with some gap. Now unit has done, so put the cross or you can put 0. 90 times 0, this is the turn of tens. 90 times 0, 90 times 0. Then we have 90 times 0 and 91 times 9. Now we have to add all these values. 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9 and 9. It's mean the product of the multiplication of smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 2-digit number is 99,000. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. 99,000 is the product of these two numbers. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving the question number 4. Word problem question 4. And the question is find the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is 100, which is exactly divisible by means divided by 16. Now we need to draw the heart in the center of the page. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. The bigger values called dividend and the smaller values called divisor. Dividend is always inside the heart. Write the numbers with some gap. And 16. Dividend and divisor. 16, 1 times 16 is not possible because 1 minus 16 is not possible. So 16, 0 times 0 minus 1 minus 0, 1. Write down the next number. 10. 10 is smaller than 16. 16, 1 times 16 is not possible. So again 16, 0 times 0. If I am using 1, write the answer above the 1. I am using 0, write the answer above 0. Now write down, now subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. Write down the last number. Now 16, 6 times 6 is 36, 3 on the carry, 6, 1 times 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 96 is the nearest to 100. So 16, 6 times 96. Don't write like this, 96. Unit under unit, tens under tens. Now minus, 0 minus 6 is not possible, 0 minus 9 is not possible. Borrow from this, it will become 0, then this will become 10, and then this will become 9 and this will become 10. Borrow from the relatives. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0 and 0. This is not exactly divisible. So how the smallest 3-digit number will be divisible? The rule is when we have a clue is smallest. When we have a clue is smallest. So you need to, smallest value is 16. So you need to subtract your remainder from your smallest value, from your divisor. Now the answer is 12. Now add this answer in your dividend. So 100 plus 12 equals to 112. Now 112 is divisible by 16. I am telling you again, when the clue is smallest, so you need to subtract your remainder from your smallest value, divisor, and then add in the dividend. Draw the ending line. Now I am solving the last question, question number 5. And question number 5 is find the largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number is 999, which is exactly divisible by 24. Divisible by means divided by 24. Now draw the heart, dividend inside the heart and divisor outside the heart. Take your first value. 24, 1 times 24 is not possible. 9 minus 24 is not possible. So 24, 0 times 0 minus 9 minus 0, 9. Write your next number. Now this will become 99. So 24 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 on the carry. 4, 2 times 8 and 9. So 24 4 times 96. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 9 0. Write down the last number. 24 2 times 48. Not possible. 39 is smallest. So 24 1 times 24. Minus 9 minus 4 5. 3 minus 2 1. It's not exactly divisible. Again we have remainder. So when we have the clue is largest. And we have the clue is largest. So you need to subtract your remainder from the largest value, biggest value, dividend. So you need to subtract your remainder from your dividend, largest value. So minus 15, the answer will be 984. Thank you.